Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a quick flip through of a little mini album I made for the woman that attended my scrapbook class over the summer. Since we've been moving, it's taking me a lot longer to do this than I wanted, but I'm going to throw in some extras for her and hopefully that'll make it worth the wait. But I just wanted to show you guys, this is the 4x4 mini album. It's a lot like the album I made for my sister Olivia. And then also the 4x6 albums I've made for my mom and my friend Juliet. So I will link that playlist below if you guys are interested in seeing it. For the cover here, and for actually much of the album, I used Dear Lizzie's Fine and Dandy paper collection. So I have this nice bold background, and I really wanted to use this paper cutout from Amy Tangerine over the top because it has a really nice contrast. And I think it just looks really fun and pretty. On the inside, more papers from the Fine and Dandy collection. And then I've added some washi tape here, a little butterfly from Maggie Holmes, and then I've lettered out Every Family Has a Story, Welcome to Ours here, just with my Sakura Micron pin, and added some little hearts. I've covered up the faces of her family members since they're not my family. I don't feel comfortable showing them on my channel, but trust me, they're really cute pictures. So this is of one of her granddaughters and her husband playing. So I just have the photo here with a little chipboard embellishment that's also from Dear Lizzie's Fine and Dandy collection. You Make My Heart Smile, just added a little bit of dimension. I try to do something 3D on every page. Here I've printed a couple photos on Instax printer paper just to make it a little bit different. These photos are of her granddaughter feeding, I believe, her mother a little bite of ramen, so it's kind of a sequential picture here. And I've just added some stickers with words and phrases to the bottom. This little owl is from a really old Amy Tangerine kit, but the colors worked perfectly. And then just a little bit of dimension here on this one. On this side, I again used more papers from Fine and Dandy. I used this From the Heart sticker, which is from the Maggie Holmes Big Sticker Book, with again some more dimensional pieces from old Maggie Holmes collections and probably several other places as well. Some washi tape, and then this is a Dear Lizzie. Actually, it's a cupcake topper, but I thought it was really pretty and cute, and I wanted to use it because little girls, it just always makes me think of magic and playing and dress up, and so I just thought that would be really, really cute on here. And I like that it adds some dimension, and I just taped it and then added some adhesive to the back and then tiny attached the edges here can you see it? Yeah, tiny attached it just so it'll stay, but it's not too distracting when you're looking at it. More Fine and Dandy pieces here with just some tape in the background, and I made a shaker pocket with this foam butterfly sticker, and then a bunch of different sequins. I got some light yellow, some teeny little iridescent stars, and then some bigger gold and teal stars. And I think that makes a really fun mix for this little shaker pocket. And that way, if her granddaughter ever sees it, the little kids love these shaker pockets, just like me. And I added some washi tape here as well. This is a photo from that trip that she took, and there was a rainbow, and it printed out okay, not the best, but that's okay. I still wanted to use it here, and it looks neat with the butterfly in front of it. And this is just a One Canoe 2 paper clip here, little flower. Again, I've covered up their faces, put another little owl from Amy Tangerine, because those colors are still working perfectly together, and I just love owls on kid stuff, so I think that this works out really well. I added this thread bow from Maggie Holmes Willow Lane just to give some dimension to the side, and she was dancing with her grandpa or stretching or doing something, and so I just added some little word and phrase stickers there. And then one more picture, and since it looked like they were kind of dancing, I added this ballerina sticker from the Maggie Holmes big sticker book and just some little chipboard pieces to give it dimension, and then a doily here in the background. And this little bird falls off, so I guess I need to give him some more glue. I didn't put any glue underneath him, so that's probably the issue here. But then I just spelled out happy moments on the back with the same paper as the front, and added this little bird who will get glued down here pretty soon. And then I added just a piece of velvet ribbon, which I tiny attached to hold, and then a little tassel. So yeah, that was a really fun project to make. I hope to finish up a little surprise thing to add in there for her really soon and make a quick video of it so I can ship it off to her. Hopefully she will get it early or mid-November. That's my new goal, because moving is crazy. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this album. Again, check out the playlist below if you would like to see more albums like this, and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.